you for giving me the opportunity to speak on such an important topic, Save Tree and Save Planet Earth. My name is Punatan Kanti Savarya Sajivan. I am from 9th B from Saraswati English High School. When one thinks about the most important element to survive, so the answer first comes to always in our mind is air. Air is the important for all living being, be it animal or humans. The trees of the planet act as the lungs in our body and purify the air we breathe. It is due to the existence of trees that we inhale fresh air. The most trees, so the planet has the fresher and pure air we breathe. Man's attempt to outline is costing us unfortunate. The road to civilization is more of destruction of natural resource. Deforestation disrupts the balance of the nature. Due to deforestation, air pollution increases and global warming rises. Animals lost their homes and shelter. Due to deforestation, also the soil erosion leads. The best way to solve this problem is by avoiding the deforestation and moving towards the afforestation, that is planting tree. Even planting one tree can save so many lives. It is a high that we take action and save the natural beauty of the planet, which nourishes living and breathing creatures. When saving trees, they save lives and indirectly save the plant. Save tree and save environment. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Sohanlal Chaudhary. I am from Primary Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Our topic is Save the Earth. My aim is to protect environment and conserve natural resources and keep beauty of the planet and create a conducive environment to live in for future generation. And my objective are to conserve, promote an extensive animal and plant, to empower people of all classes, levels and area for conserve biological diversity.
My name is Prajapati Aman from Saraswati English High School. Our topic is problems and the solutions of global warming. To understand the concept of greenhouse energy and to understand the impact of global warming and on the earth, and to understand why does the global warming occurs on the earth, and to understand the effect of global warming to the human welfare. The main purpose is to create awareness in the society to support both the economic growth as well as to protect the environment. At last, you will able to know about the what is global warming and what is the cause of global warming and its effect, and what are the possible solution for the global warming. Thank you everyone.